Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on adjusting video settings for your HP Victus 16. Let's dive in and optimize your device for the best performance. First, ensure you have the right tools on hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components safely and maintain a clean environment for your laptop. Start by powering off your HP Victus 16 and unplugging it from any power source. Once it's off, gently flip the laptop over. You'll notice several screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them organized to avoid losing any. With the screws removed, gently lift the back panel off. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated, particularly around the fans and vents. This is crucial as overheating can significantly impact performance. Now that your laptop is clean, let's adjust the video settings. Boot up your HP Victus 16 and navigate to the display settings. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Here, you will find options to adjust the resolution and refresh rate. For optimal gaming, set your resolution to 1920 by 1080 and ensure the refresh rate is set to 144 Hz if available. After adjusting these settings, let's move on to the graphics control panel. Depending on your graphics card, you may have access to either NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon software. Open the respective panel and look for the Manage 3D Settings option. Here, prioritize performance by adjusting the power management mode to prefer maximum performance. This will ensure that your GPU is working at its full potential during demanding tasks. Additionally, consider enabling G-Sync or FreeSync if your monitor supports it. These features help eliminate screen tearing and provide a smoother gaming experience. If you're not comfortable making these adjustments or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Once your video settings are optimized, it's essential to monitor the performance. Use software like MSI Afterburner to track your system's temperatures and resource usage. This will help you identify any bottlenecks or overheating issues early on. Finally, don't forget to periodically check for driver updates. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can lead to significant performance improvements and bug fixes. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website regularly to download the latest drivers for your GPU. In summary, by following these steps, you can significantly enhance the video performance of your HP Victus 16. Remember to keep your laptop clean, adjust your display settings for peak performance, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.